What is up, everybody? It's your boy Kevin Smiley. Welcome back to Kevlar82 TV, your positive car culture channel. Today, as you can see in the title, man, I got addicted, and it's a snowball effect from this point, dude. As you can see in the thumbnail, dude. Yeah, more carbon fiber, dude. So this is one of those things where we're helping out the homie Christian back here. Put his Instagram down below right now. Helping him out master his craft, dude. So he's learning and everything like that when it comes to wrapping these carbon fiber pieces, and he's an awesome guy. So I'm gonna help him out along the way. So I'm going to give him more pieces, just like we did in the last carbon fiber video. If you guys remember, we took off the old pieces we took off my pieces, my stock pieces, handed those to him, and he put on some of his experimental ones that he had made back in the day. And yeah, so they were unfinished. But I was like, that's cool, they're placeholders. So we're doing the same thing. We're gonna take my finished pieces and put them on from the last one. And then we're gonna take more of my stock stuff, put on some of his old experimental unfinished work, and he's gonna wrap my actual pieces, dude, and give them back to me. So it's just an exchange or whatever. So I'm gonna show you what we're gonna be doing, which pieces we're gonna be wrapping and everything like that. We're gonna jump into it. So let's get started. All right, so like I said, the one that I have in there was a placeholder for my actual one that he was working on. And yeah, so we ready to put this bad boy in, and I'm gonna show you the other pieces. We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna swap out mine, take these out, and then put in these vent pieces, whatever, which are also like unfinished, that he never got around to finishing, whatever. But yeah, we're gonna take out mine, and he's gonna start fresh with mine. And then yeah, just more carbon fiber for now. Like I said, placeholders. My man is working on his craft, and I'm gonna help him out with that. Oh, since he's doing that, check this out. You see that? What do you guys think? Audi mod? Should I do the Audi mod? I'm loving the tail lights. That's gonna be on the list. And I think I want to do the sequential. I'm thinking about sequential. The ones that go like this. It's the Audi mod. It goes brr, 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 like that. Yeah, so y'all let me know in the comments. Yep. And yet another decision was made. So we decided also, these are some unfinished pieces, whatever. These are like his experimental pieces when he first started wrapping carbon or whatever, just kind of messing around with it and everything like that. So we're gonna throw these on the car, and he's gonna take mine and he's gonna wrap mine. So yeah, we're just helping out the homie get his craft 100%, dude. And you know, we're gonna help him out on the way and spread some knowledge for you guys to be able to take some of these apart. And if you guys want to replace them and whatnot, whatever you want to do, this is just, like I said, I always say, just another piece of the Batmobile puzzle. So yeah, let's jump into it. Let's get started. Start taking this stuff apart. Take that off, and you remove the screw. Bam.
Just throw it because you don't need it.
No, you can keep it. You be like, I got extras. And just like one screw connecting it. I take the whole vent out.
Yeah,
the clips on there.
Yeah. Try these out. Make sure you go to Harbor Freights and get these.
Oh yeah, definitely need that. Bam. Oh, let me help him out. Just like that, clips on. Bam. Bam, almost done. That one lifts out nice and easy. Same deal.
Yeah, this one you don't need a screw. You don't have a screw.
Yeah, that one don't got no screw. Just that's the piece. I think this is the piece. See if that's the right one. They look the same though.
I know.
There we go. Make sure they're all clipping. There you go.
These gonna pop up. These little, like, what do you call it? And then there's like a Phillips screw in here. Someone got a flat. Remove this little piece right here. Aim it through the holes right here.
The only thing that freaks me out about the pillars is making the airbags deploy or some crap. If you do something wrong, just boof. Oh crap. That'd be funny.
Straight in the face.
But you'll be fine. Just don't be clumsy, people. You'll be good. It's very easy, as you can see.
Be smart idea, just disconnect the battery.
Yeah. If you guys are scared or paranoid, just disconnect the battery. There we go, bam. All right, you guys, so all done. Got the new door handles in. Man, it's hot out here in Cali. And then the dome piece, whatever. And then, like I said, the interior pieces are unfinished, like the air vents that you guys saw us put in or whatever. The reason why I obviously didn't film the door handles, because that's in the other video. So, but yeah, I'm addicted. My boy got me addicted to it. And then, of course, the pillars. which are also the unfinished, but we're gonna get the actual ones, my actual ones. He's gonna redo those or whatever. So yeah, so we'll just get an update on the car. But you know, loving the interior right now. His car is loud. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it, man. Hope it was informative. The reason why I filmed it now and not waiting until he came up with the finished pieces and filming it later is because I wanted to just do it to show you guys the how to remove your air vents or whatever. And also these right here, it's pretty easy, whatever, what you got to do. So if you guys want to, you guys can do whatever you want with them, dude. You don't have to try to do carbon fiber. You guys can take them out, paint them, plastic dip them, whatever, dude. So that was the main reason why I did this video. It's a short one, but it's just another piece of just me documenting me and the homie just doing stuff to the car, small steps, small baby steps, and getting this man to master his craft. So I'm helping him out. So that's the reason why I did it also. So he's working on the front bumper. I know that a lot of you guys are waiting on that. Be patient. He wants it to be right. So we will be revealing that once it's done and making some awesome content with his car. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, notification bell and everything. And I'll keep you up to date with what's next for the Batmobile. I'm doing a lot of small detailed touches to it just because a lot of the stuff that the car is pretty much like at a finish point, but it's never finished, if that makes sense. Do you guys know how it is, dude? Just when you think it's finished, you want to do something else. So that's the reason why we're doing a lot of small details. Thinking about doing the 3.8 performance cold air intake. That's on my list, but I'm deciding between that and some other things. So yeah, make sure you support the merch. I got my merch on right now, as you can see. Bam. And that's how we're gonna wrap up the video, dude. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the content. I want to say thank you to everybody that's been commenting on all the videos. Appreciate it, dude. Make sure you guys always comment down below if you support the channel, because that really helps out the algorithm and everything like that, dude. And I'll catch you guys later. I'm gonna get some rest and everything like that. So just remember, as I say at the end of all my videos, always see the glass half full, not half empty. Stay blessed, stay safe, and remember, legends live forever. Rest easy, Dustin Davis. Rest easy, my friend. Peace.